Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. In this video I'm going to showing you magic methods in Python. Now magic methods in Python is a really magic thing. Like let me just give you an example. Like magic method in Python is defined as a special method which adds magic to class. It starts and ends with the double underscores like underscore underscore init or underscore underscore str underscore underscore. The built-in classes define any magic method. The dr function can be used to number the magic methods inherited by the class. It has two prefixes and suffixes underscores in the method name. Now we're gonna see the types of magic methods and them as well. So open a PyCharm and I've created some code stuff for you to actually see this thing. First of all, we got Init Magic, which looks like this. Now we've already looked at it. This Init Magic makes you a constructor for you. So this just makes you a sample constructor here, as you can see. Now if we run this program, see, it makes a constructor with an init. Now every single underscore, I haven't specified them to use an underscore. And how do you do that? That's the special magic. Then we have str magic. Whenever I say str, I print the human object. This will return this method return value. So it will return a toString. Now str stands for toString in other programming language. And then we got wrapper magic. Wrapper magic is to return the string representation of a string in Python environment. So this is a multi-line string, but Python in his environment looked at it in other way. So wanna know how it looks? Python environment, the compile time environment, this looks like this. But when we type as a programmer, it looks like this. Now with the Len Magic is to define the length of the size. As you can see, we got a string saying ta-da, and if I use a string.len, it will return the length of the string. There is another way you can also do this by typing string.len. This is the length function of string and just print it. This is how simply you can do this. Now these books works the same. Now if I run this program, as you can see, the number one is 4 because there is 4 characters, and it is 3 because there are three datas inside the list. And then we got GE magic, which stands for greater than and equal. Now if I say if y dot greater than equal x, I know y is 3 and 2. Now 3 is greater than equal to, so it will return true, else it will return false. Like let me just do this. See? And say x, y. Now this will return false. And then we got LE magic, which is, as you can see, LE magic stands for less than equal. And here we say y lex. Say y2 is less than equal 3. Yes, true. It return true. And x isn't less than equal y, so it should return false. Now these are the basic magic methods you have to learn to actually do some coding. So this was it for the video. I know this was a really short video because I already created this code stuff for you. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this thing. So I'll see you in the next video. We'll be talking more about Python.